BB Naija. Una well done o. Una well done BB Naija. I dey see things. People wey reach to born my mother, they claim 21 years, 25 years. No wahala, just because of 90 million. 90 million. I know say 90 million is something. But 90 million, I chop 90 million of recent now. Before you know, within 3 days, they do family meeting, 90 million finish. I can't wonder how 90 million go finish. As I dey think the matter, now so my brother come wake me say, brother, you know go work today. Now then I know say na dream my day. But nevertheless, e no reach for now. To come dey misbehave. You wey reach to purpose wey get the people Naija, you come. You say you be 21 years. See wall of Jericho, everything you don tire, don turn slippers. No wahala sha o. As the things dey go now, if na so dey be, may continue. Next season, I go tell my grandmother he must dey house for BB Naija. And if they ask her say how old are you, he go tell them say next month he go be 22 years. Shebi na money, go get that make her now.